I am not. Now lot 251. Lot 251 is the 1967 Ferrari 330 GTC, a matching numbers car with optional factory air conditioning. The car was recently treated to a full service and mechanical refurbishment. It presents extremely well. The interior is largely original as well, in fact. The Ferrari 330 GTC.
Thank you very much, Alan. What should we say? Opening bid of $400,000 now. 400,000, starting at 400,000. Thank you. 400,000 I have. At 400,000, do I have 450 anywhere in the room now? $450,000 I have now. $500,000. $500,000 I have now. At 500,000, 550 if you like. 550. Thank you. At 550, 600,000 now. We're at 550,000 on my left in the back. At $550,000, do I have $600,000 now? 600,000, thank you. Seated bid at $600,000, do I have 650 now? At $600,000, do I have 650? 625, thank you, 625. 650 now, gentlemen. Nope. You taking a break? Take a breather. Yeah, you have to think about it. I'm not going anywhere. At $625,000, do I have 650 anywhere in the room? We're at $625,000 for the Ferrari 330 GTC, beautifully presented at just $625,000. Then if we're all done, ladies and gentlemen, at $625,000 for the 330 GTC. 650, thank you. 650. I've taken 650 here before you, sir. I hope you don't mind. I've got 650. Do I have 675 from you? I've taken 650 here in the second row. Do I have 675 now from you? Well, it's $650,000 then. Do I have 675? At 650, 675 if you like. At $650,000. You're out on my right. The bid's in the second row. $650,000. Any advance? Yep, I've got the bid right here at 650. I've got it at 650 then. You're out here. Well, then I'm going to sell here at 650,000. It's going for the first time. It's going, you're missing the 330. It's going for the second time, and I'm selling right here to the second row at just £650,000 then. Dollars, no, excuse me, at 650 then. Third and last time at $650,000. All done, all finished. Are you sure? Sold your car, 650,000. 7241. Thank you, gentlemen.